how to fix iPhone not showing on computer. So if you are trying to connect your iPhone to your computer via USB-C cable, now I am going to show you how to fix the issue where the Apple iPhone's not showing up or it's showing up. But when you click on this, you can see here there is nothing inside of this folder. At first, click on iPhone settings. Now click on General. Now scroll to the down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then click on Reset Location and Privacy. After that, you have to enter your iPhone's passcode here. Once you have done this, you have to disconnect your USB-C cable and try reconnecting your iPhone again. Now, as long as your iPhone is unlocked and it's plugged into your computer, you can see this pop-up message. Now click on Allow here, and then you have to enter your iPhone's password here. You can then head back over to your computer. Then you can check to see if it is now working. Now if it is still not working, come over to your computer and right click on this PC. Then click on Show More Options here. After that, click on Manage. Click on Device Manager on the left side. Click on the drop down next to the portable devices. Then you can see Apple iPhone here. Now right click on this. Then click on Update Driver. Browse my computer drivers. Now press Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computers. Then go and select MTP USB device. Click on Next. It will reinstall your drivers. You can then trying to heading back to your folder. If it still does not work, then disconnect USB-C cable from iPhone and rotate 180-degree angle, then connect to iPhone, and also disconnect cable from PC and again connect to PC.